Sri Lanka was struck by Cyclone Ditwa, which caused heavy floods and landslides across the island. Water levels rose sharply, homes were damaged and major reservoirs and rivers overflowed. Authorities warned people to evacuate as the situation worsened. By early Friday, 28 November 2025, nearly 35% of areas in Sri Lanka had lost power. Around 7 million customers of the Ceylon Electricity Board were affected. Roads were blocked, infrastructure was damaged, and continuous rain made rescue work very difficult. Sri Lanka's Disaster Management Centre reported 123 deaths and 130 missing by Saturday morning. Over 200,000 people from 61,000 families were affected. Kandy district alone recorded more than 50 deaths by late Friday, and Badula reported over 35 deaths from landslides. India began Operation Sagar Bandhu on Friday, 28 November, to support Sri Lanka during this crisis. On 20th November, External Affairs Minister of India, Dr. Subramaniam Jaishankar, wrote on his X handle, Operation Sagar Bandhu commences. INS Vikrant and INS Udaygiri hand over relief material at Colombo. Further steps are underway. On 29th November, Dr. Jaishankar wrote, 2 Chetak helicopters from INS Vikrant took off for search and rescue operations with Sri Lanka Air Force personnel on board. INS Vikrant is docked in Colombo and, as of 30th November, the Chetak helicopters are actively supporting joint Indo-Sri Lankan rescues in affected regions like Kotmale and coastal flood zones. INS Udaygiri is anchored off Colombo and has assisted in offloading 6.5 tons of initial aid and remains on standby for further evacuations. For additional relief, INS Sukanya departed from Visakhapatnam on November 29 and expected to arrive in Colombo by December 1, carrying extra medical teams and equipment. On the morning of 29th November, the Indian Air Force confirmed it had delivered 21 tons of relief material, over 80 NDRF personnel, and 8 tons of equipment to support rescue and recovery operations. As of 30th November, India and Sri Lanka are coordinating to provide support to those affected by the flood. Earlier today, IAF deployed Mi-17 V5 helicopters in Colombo for rapid HADR operations. Multiple IAF transport aircraft, including C-17s, are on standby for large-scale evacuation of Indian nationals trapped due to the cyclone. Missions are scheduled from bases in Trivandrum and Hindon Air Base. The High Commission of India in Colombo has set up an emergency help desk at Bandar Naike International Airport, Colombo. Through their X account, they wrote, any distressed Indian citizen at Sri Lankan airports or any part of Sri Lanka in need of assistance may reach out to the emergency number +94 7737277832 for WhatsApp also. High Commission of India is providing all required assistance, including food and water, to Indian passengers stranded at BIA airport.